Hey guys, welcome back to Create with Kate. Today we're going to be talking about the much controversialized topic, ChatGPT, the cutting-edge AI language model developed by OpenAI. So what is ChatGPT? Well, why don't we just get into it and I can show you. So, if you want to use ChatGPT, you need to go onto your browser and just type in ChatGPT. It's going to get you to log in, register for it, create an account. I will stipulate that sometimes you cannot get into ChatGPT because the server is full. So sometimes you need to wait a little bit. But once you are in, this is what pops up. ChatGPT, it lets you know what examples you can use, what are its capabilities, and what are its limitations. So without further ado, let's just test it out. You simply type in what you want to know, hit the enter key, and it's gonna start typing something for you. So for the purpose of this video, I simply just asked, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It uses deep learning algorithms to generate human-like responses to text inputs based on patterns in its learned from massive amounts of text data. It is trained to respond to a wide range of topics, including general knowledge, conversations, and answering questions. So ChatGPT will come back, you'll ask it a question, it will come back with an answer. You can submit your feedback, letting them know what would have been a better solution. Otherwise, if you don't like what it's come back to your question, you can always regenerate the response. And the nice thing is, as you can see, I've been testing out ChatGPT for a bunch of different things. It always labels your conversation, so you can come back to that at a later point if you need to. If you don't need it anymore, you can simply just delete it. But I just want to show you guys, if we don't like this answer to ChatGPT, what is ChatGPT? Just hit regenerate and it's going to come up with a different answer for you. As you can see, the answer still includes the main part of explaining what ChatGPT is. It's just explained in a total different way. So let's try something new. As a marketer, I think you shouldn't view ChatGPT as a threat, but rather use it as a tool to empower you, to help you do better in your job. So for example, let's see what it comes back with. This is pretty amazing because, maybe as a marketer, you're struggling to come up with a topic, or, you're not the best at writing captions, but maybe you make beautiful designs. This can really help you. And again, if you don't like the response, you just hit regenerate. It comes up with something different. And the cool thing is it saves your responses, so you can go back to different ones. Maybe you want to combine them. It's really quite an amazing language tool. It has a wide range of content. So pretty much try it out and see how it works for you. I love ChatGPT because it comes up with some ideas, which is fantastic. So for example, SEO tips. It's quite amazing what it actually comes back with. Now, it should be noted that its limitations are to the end of 2021. So when I was thinking of some ideas, I asked it to write me a script for a Canva tutorial, which I will be sharing sometime in the future. Some of it is a little bit outdated. Again, it's limited to 2021. So the main question of today is, why should marketers use ChatGPT? Why not ask the program? ChatGPT can help us in several ways. Content creation. I totally agree with this, especially with writing. It saves you in time, as you can copy and paste. I wouldn't directly copy and paste, would go back and edit, but still, it gives you some ideas, it gives you a place to focus, help you with your customer service. It can answer the questions that customers are asking and your FAQs. Lead generation. This one is golden, it's what us marketers need. It helps you engage with your customers real time, gets their recommendations, which is huge. So at the end of the day, I would recommend ChatGPT for marketers. Use it as a tool to assist you in what you're doing, as it is original content. You can always regenerate an additional response, and it will just save you time, and time is money. Thanks guys for watching, and let me know in the comments below what you think of ChatGPT. Do you think it's going to take over our jobs, or do you think we should use it as a tool to assist us?